mo papona. Nyami bongo na masunye na masumu dende. Na tingin wala bosinga bongo yombwami. Oh tudine na masunye na sekwala kemo. Inewo inje moyo korikwe. Inewo inje moyo korikwe. Shebi you know say body no be firewood baby oh. I no go lie me, I no go do shakara oh baby oh. Only your water go fit today, quench fire oh baby oh. I go fit to spending my money, give you cassava, shower my love on you. I go fit to kill the person, I go shamayama for you. I go fit to kill the person, I go shamayama say only your matter. I go they carry for head yo. Marama this girl oh, she they giving me ginger oh. Only your matter, I go they carry for head yo. Marama this girl, she they giving me ginger. I go fit to kill the person, I go shamayama for you. I go fit to kill the person, I go shamayama for you. Nothing wala, you are some kanyam punjami. Oh, titine na mazinye na zekwala kembobo. Inewo inja moyo korikwe. Say only your matter, I go de carry for head yo. Marama this girl, she de giving me ginger.
Which language is that?
It's Cameroonian. The first one is Cameroonian by Richard Bona.
Ish, already. But you know it's with the language. Say nobody say Wow. That was nice. So for how long have you been doing this?
For like 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah, guitar. Yeah, I do Minecraft. Yeah. Yeah.
And I mean. Catch and you be ana, you know, amount for year no be our style, but send our years so we'll be calling this down here.
Yeah, because I've been listening to, you know, some of the greats in Africa, like, you know, like I did Richard Bona and Salif Keita, Angelique Kidjo. Yeah, and the rest. And I believe that, you know, the sound of Africa is the future of music now.
Wow.
Yeah, and so.
But one Southie.
Me Adeni, me free.
Ofie Kwanso.
Me free Big Adom.
Big Adom.
Me free Kabute.
One friend I call them why. Okay, Edi Kabute. So why Sugar Lord? Tell me about that name, Sugar Lord.
I think it's a name that was actually bestowed on me. I went to sing somewhere. And they were like, hey, your voice is nice, you know, like ladies, you know, your voice is like sugar, you know. And then it came to stay, so you know, I had to just
Sugar Lord.
Yeah, Sugar Lord.
Yeah. Hey, Charlie. All right. Yeah, side go. Give us more. Let's trust your credit.
Ni boneji beni minkebo pe no tinye nyose klada ni minkebo basane unumshami nyumoyimi kejelebi kagbegbe na sina se latako ni tamia wadani minkebo rie Sumoyo mo kamling mo ikoni mi jagbe mi le and never fake me try kara ani osmo bo jong Maria say Maria I me be cry ni obasmo mi funny situation asole I guess you back me Maria Nami mopo I'll never cry, you bust mommy. Yavonu, spacey. I only I can see you back, baby. Maria, so. See, yeah, like I'm more penny, homo me, yeah. Na kind be like a macaile, non me, black clank. Wash a one more, me was some more, there was some more. Wash a war, you know. Takoni tamiyo what dani minkebori sumoria mo kamling onwe koni mi jegbe mi le enne me feke mi dry kra ani osmo bojo Maria jolly Maria me de kra ni obasmo mi shafoni suesi Azolia kissing you back, baby. Maria, not be more for. I'll maybe cry, you bust mommy. Yavonu, spacey. Oh, Azolia kissing you back, baby. Maria,
Wow. Now, Sugar Lord, tell me, Obi on moi, Ebia, who said, I have that beautiful voice, I can do something. So, any, my mention say, meet me the strings yakahona, my yena, adnaya kama, and Obi on swa, or border that, it's okay. I mean, try my voice, training my voice so that I can just, combine the two near the oh, then it's saying,
yeah, I started singing. Yeah, at that time.
But not that time you were not playing.
Yeah, I wasn't playing, but it got to a point. I decided to add it to my craft. I saw there was one night I saw this lady play Asha. Yeah, from Nigeria. Yeah. She started. I was with my family, you know. She came on the show. She just picked the guitar and played, and I was blown away. And so I was like, no, I want to really do this. So
country more.
Yeah,
country more.
NT.
I don't.
Yeah. It's now me say me de can menyom to no ho. So me picking up and I start to say musician and nyame adom like I've become there. And it's good cause usua it helps in your singing when you tono, it helps in your singing and then your composition. Yeah, because it opens up your ear. And then you know you get to recognize, okay, we are saying a set, so it helps a lot. And I think every musician should try and add an instrument, just maybe one to your craft, and I think it will help you.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so what catching yourself for like 2 years, you know, this is what you've been doing. Inti say koro ini ade de nim say man near my son but answer na corona I mean, were you playing at places near if
of course
yes I
was playing at places. I've been playing at Create Lounge. I've performed on 3 music awards. The recent one, the virtual one. I did a tribute for Kofi B. Just with the guitar, you know, and they enjoyed it. And I've been playing
Kofi B no. And yes, yes, I attribute to answer what was. Do you remember what you did for? Okay, so do it now. Okay, best come on there or ever trust about that. Just let's have a feel of that one.
J'ai mon proa, manumye, me kwana mikuta mikra. My atintin from Albania na mi yedini ya no me front magunti ko fie mi nie pipragro asam to me sesia o kama foni wai asam to me sesia di ma fokrani wai mami owu mi enata no ni pio chakwisia deso Papa ni samuni bio ti mi dream Jimmy Ho. Jimmy Ho.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
I did something like that.
Wow. Okay, so tell me, how is it like when, as a musician, like you're performing, someone is playing the instrument for you?
Yeah.
Let's take this particular one, for instance, and it has to go like hand in hand. But ubi then wakasa or saying ball, and then your mind is on the lyrics of the songs just to get everything right. I don't know. It's that feeling that is saying.
The feeling is somewhere, but I think about with addition.
But sometimes I am my own a bit distracted, kakra say. Because you need to focus on what you're playing, and at the same time bear in mind the lyrics of the particular song. No? If you especially if it is not your own song,
sometimes somewhere, but I think so. Now I think constant practice makes perfect. Because there are a lot of things, there are a lot of processes going on. Now, number one, you are thinking about the chords of the song. Jane, the way chords. How do I even say that in Chi? Number two, the way I insert on a movie or guitar no so no. Number three, Jane lyrics. Yes, you don't have to miss
one person.
Miss words, no. And then the last one is, the groove, like the strumming pattern.
Because one way, off beat too.
Yes, of course. I think say no about with practice. If you practice a lot, and then will be a friend of muscle memory. Muscle memory, because you've been practicing, because even your muscles get used to what you are doing.
What you're doing.
So anytime you come around the guitar or you come around it, your muscles they adjust they know what to naturally do.
Why are not be a part of you?
It comes to practice.
I wish I could play like you're playing.
You can still learn.
I come in bed, me boy, me play guitar, but just that. Not here for some. But this time, if I go back again, I won't stop until I get the time well.
Mrs. I mean, me what story no be.
Yes,
with guitar, no. Misia, do be missing. Intimidate me parking for like a year. I feel them who said, "Shall we now for Musia Italy?" So I had to, say me, So it's practice and discipline.
Sure. Kakra will get there. All right. So now, aside being invited for events, binumuni a day that you could go and play. One kasa say, say okay. This is my kind of songs, and as a style of playing so to write my own songs, I produce them, maybe an album or something. No one to say.
Me 3 songs so far out.
Oh, okay.
And then me release it back.
What release it?
Yes.
24th. Okay.
First me release it media. Media means mine. Now second one Caro.
And no girlfriend Diana.
Davey. And I'm releasing and is the third one. Shakara. Yeah.
It's Shakara no na we're releasing ende. Okay, you be born ende. All right, but before you be born Shakara no, ye na kakra bi na minti. Shakara kakra. Okay.
Baby, say body no be firewood, baby, I no go lie me, I no go do shakara, baby, only your water go fit to the quench fire, baby, I go fit to spending my money, give you cassava, shower my love on you. I go fit to kill the blessing, I go shamayama for you. Also money and no see your tower face, Osumoni no senior tawo feyaza. Say only your matter, oh. I go de carry for head, yo. Oh, Marama this girl, oh. She de giving me ginger, oh. Only your matter, oh. I go de carry for head, yo. Oh, Marama this girl, oh. She de giving me ginger, oh.
Nice one. Now, earlier, musicians been doing that you're looking up to them near day, but I had the one around had the man too.
Oh no, that was so, no. That was like
no.
Over. I look up to before her.
And the Ghana, I don't know. I mean, because I know a couple of them almost know they do like what you're doing with the guitar near the you know. Why no sana? Even if you don't look up to them, Krana, at least you like the things they do, like with the guitar.
There are a lot of them. Maestro Kojuenchi. Yeah, I met him last time. It was awesome.
Yeah.
And then Kwabna.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Kwabna.
Okay.
Because when you start playing guitar, you're Ghanaian. Opese Usia and Yoma. You have to play Kwabna. Yeah, you have to play Kwabna. You have to play Amachi Dede. Yeah. So I look up to some of this, and there's the new school Afrobeat. I look up to, you know, Kim Promise.
Okay, I want us to do something. Okay. We look at the new school and the not so old school, but almost so the likes of Lumba, Kojuenchi, Amachimo, Nemone Ade, and then we come to the new school proper. So of the not so old school folks, you know. Emu dienwen enyom na which particular song pana o Philippa say what done in nyane wa transcribe guitar and show them you can just strike and start singing. Which one?
Not too old school. I can play Kwabna.
Okay, let's roll.
Born in a certain in the do what up me? Oh, do what up me, baby. She's an African beauty, you baby need, papa be I have to do, yeah. Me too many, me Baba said I'm making you know better, yeah. Anga me fana coffee, Marco Yanu what, yeah. Marco Yanu what, yeah, baby. In TV Biniba, so what more than so. So what more than so. Yeah. So what more than so. Boy, me ma. What's anyway, more bigger. Minaki come to my sea. Yakwa Jimmy be I want Jimmy. Or does someone can say, don't break my heart, oh. And I promise on my honor to be faithful to my lover. Ninja, na mindi, yeah. In TP Niba. Yeah. Soda,
Whoa, beautiful. Make us say two. So now let's get to the new school. Yes, new school. Whose song?
My baby give me all I want. Early morning she they give me all the chop.
Kelvin boy.
Osimia, yeah. Osimia no pill. Hey, mia. Even me where she want. Hey, mia. Osimia no pill. Hey, mia. Let's again. My baby give me all I want. Early morning she they give me all the chop. Oh, for the bedroom she be bust. She give me sugar, pineapple and coconuts. Baby never left my hand, though. That's you on my bank account, though. For you, I chop the biggest sound, though. Another, see me out. Mia, Osimia no bell, Mia,
Wow. Sugar Lord. Charlie, why Nina? So we will listen to the new one now there by Shakara. We'll play it. And okay, so let's listen to that one. Afi Yembrana Yembe conclude and come on. All right. So this is the very new one from Sugar Lord. Or say Neno releases anyway. Shakara Wabo Kakra live studio Amaya. But let's listen to the song. Ankasa.
Oh my God.
Adom 106.3.
Shady, you know, say body no be firewood, baby, oh. I no go lie me, I no go to Shakara, oh, baby, oh. Only your water go fit to the quench fire, oh, baby, oh. I go fit to spending my money, give you cassava, shower my love, oh, yeah. I go fit to kill it, person, I go shower my mouth for you, oh. I go fit to kill it, person, I go shower my mouth for you. Only your mother, I go dey carry for head, oh. Marama this girl, oh. She dey giving me ginger. Only your mother, I go dey carry for head, oh. Marama this girl, oh. She dey giving me ginger. Shawty wale, baby I open my heart, oh, only you go enter. My dear baby, when I go fail, no go, I no feel recover. Ada baby, you just got time my brain, the cool my temper. My baby, see how I simple for you, but that's not it. Only your mama, I go to carry for head, oh. Marama this girl, oh. She dey giving me ginger. Only your mama, I go to carry for head, oh. Marama this girl, oh. She dey giving me ginger. I go fit to kill it, person, I go shama yama for you. Go fit to kill it, person, I go shama yama for you.
So this part, who they do that part? No? If you know they do your voice like that.
Yeah.
What word in our can? What's it?
Osmoni no she Ofie Kwanso.
Wow, Charlie, nice one. Small as you feaza. So this is Shakara, new one from Sugar Lord. Beautiful. So this one is out there. I'm out for bit me from all platforms, right? And Nana will release it. Okay. So now that you are out with this one, no, Diana, I'm out for a sharing from Sugar Lord. Say you be who say be a way back lead up to an EPB or maybe an upcoming album B and I say send and share it.
And we no matter EPI be releasing next month.
Next month, yeah. August, yeah, never yeah.
So yeah, we one of the Enyoma award EP so I release. So this is like the spearhead song for.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. That's nice. So you wrote this song yourself?
Yeah, I wrote this song myself.
Wow. I did. It's nice. And I love it.
Thank you.
All right. So in case I'm out for percent omu ehu Sugar Lord, where he's up to and everything about you. Is there a contact number and I say social media handles in there?
Follow me on Instagram. Sugar Lord. SHUGALORD. SHUGALORD.
But one word.
Yes, but one word.
Yeah.
And Twitter, Sugar Lord GH, Sugar Lord GH, one word. And on Facebook, Sugar Lord. Now people can also call my management on 0242 150296. 0242 150296. Yeah,
that's
so
nice.
you can find me.
Sugar Lord, Charlie, I bet that was it for coming over.
Thank you so much.
But answer now, back on mommy back in for jam. Come on, was
Remember back. Let me
for back be jamming. Why now? Me fan quenching me pain.
Okay, so this one is mid-year.
Mid-year.
Yeah, the song I released first.
Yeah.
So into yeah, let's listen. Sejia batabo ni chaye chana odomenya we ya madie pena me frewa bro yes my soon what do you me high and my bebre would on it kai me frewa bro. See, I've been searching for a long time, searching for the right one, but I found none like you. Oh yeah. Ode would I move for? Ode would I meet you? Ode yeah. So many wow. If it's a shemu. Send me the annual. If it's a shemu. Send me the annual. Send me wow.
Wow.
That's me there.
All right, so that was Sugar Lord and I attend in Kano. Charlie, that's the password best.
Thank you so much,
Papa
right, Jerry.
Right, yeah, and I love all the songs that you did, your own amount for the end. So I mean, it was just so much on point. Charlie, keep doing what you're doing. Why? We're here for you. Why? You be fine. I mean, some fast shakaran trust you because Charlie, and you need more there.
Shower my love for you. I go fit to kill it, person. I go show my love for you. I go fit to kill it, person. I go show my love for you. Only your mother, I go to carry for head. Madam, this girl, she dey giving me ginger.
See, I the woman say, ever saw bon come back home now, and no end there, and yeah, no man, where Casa. But yeah, the number room. I don't know, Mikasa, why when you say you are the Jimmy? Mikasa, the number room, where you are eh?
Oh, main giant, no.
Now, Mikasa, the number room, where when you start be there.
Oh, me, yes,
and then so what can I know?
Oh, that'll be my son. It's a
it was one windy. I am fashion car. Hey, but what you make up, Kakra? Yeah. So now it has become part of you. What step out be? You have to do a little bit makeup, Kakra.
Because I think one day I think my name makeup and someone unfollowed me on Instagram.
Just because what? Why that person will make up no Philippa?
Satan I'm with you. Yes.
About what you mum their own makeup.
Oh, see, there me.
Oh, yeah, you way.
Me will be a first no.
They say when you mobia. They say you are your own boss. She, Charlie, we give you like joke right now. You don't chop money.
Yeah,
Now, it's when you back no follow no. I mean, how? Me tell you just because one year makeup.
I made a live video. Me a live video. Now catch himself and followed you. I'm say why? And I'll say man makeup.
Wow. Okay, catch up no more follow, no more sign follow. So, what's your handle? Was it on IG or Twitter? IG. Okay, so IG.
IG, yeah, EB Forsen, EB_Forsen.
EB_Forsen. Forsen.
Yeah.
Forsen, no can say.
Forsen.
No, I like the way the Forsen.
It's Forsen. F-O-R-S-O-N.
Forsen.
Forsen.
Okay, so the E is Emmanuel, the B is
no, it's Ebenezer.
Ebenezer, and the B is what? And so Ebenezer na EB na so Ebenezer na why no say. Okay. All right. Abusua ye bana ye na trust no ya bon komo kakra. But before that no, mama fa shakarai any dra kakra wa ye be ni there. If I trust say go on say and can't show say you call cashless. Yeah. They say go e-payment system no compatible with GH Link. Yeah, the national payment platform. So now you can use your GH Link card on Goyle POS machine. Now they are too full. GH card link no. And I say GH Link cards no. And no additional payment option for fuel purchases. Away Goyle service stations in addition to the Goyle Go card no. Now we so that every fuel be albeto be no. It is recorded automatically on your monthly bank statement. Yeah, I know no wow. Emma card holders no etimi keep it track. No more say I manage your fuel expenses no so go ahead and use your GH Link card to buy fuel. Any other services from all Goyle service stations across the country. Go cashless and protect yourself and make sure you stick to all the COVID-19 protocols in these times. Goyle, good energy. Goyle, you know idea. Tell to go to say and can't show say nee. Still nah, we're in the season for extra. I don't see more. That's more data with me. I stay online. Why the baby and if you are saying more airtime on sweat me, I make it all the important calls. I check on a Busian phone now. So go on and choose from Airtel to go's big time data extra, Fuse extra or extra unlimited and get extra because we're in the season for extra. Just dial star 111# to choose a plan today. Airtel to go. Life is simple. Sebe na benye sika kakra de ahwe wata so no. Ene say COVID-19 abenti niema bia na ka ye niema bebre wa ye jeja ne ade a. Se se niema mu asesa. Ye keep distance ne ade. Na ye hwe wash yensa. Ye jai handshake ne hug ne de kenka ho nyina. What I say? Ye bibia movie akọ online. Ene le so te ase pa. Enu ti na nei 590 mobile gaming. Yeah, powered by Kid. Yeah, wow, now sweat me. I stick you out there or wow phone so now be call here online. Then we chat to now still now wait me Eddie Cash. We on Sabeka state confirmations, draw results. BBI or phone so now who we need so you direct to your phone the amount. So just dial star 959# or visit www.590mobile.com.gh and play anytime from anywhere. Things change bad, but not all bad. 590 Mobile is the new normal. See how I simple for you, but that's not it. Yeah, bye. And there's more here to excite you this July on Gold TV. Catch all shows made for everyone at an affordable price. Obey me show Big Brother Season 5 on African Magic Family. Now for what you need to hear Rock 3 for a mix of Ghanaian and Nigerian stars. Why enjoy Season 2 of Killing Eve on Fox. Now we're now quiet. What's that topping up with loads and loads of amazing content on Star Live, Z World, Telemundo, Discovery, ID, and so much more. Don't miss out on all the fun and action on Go TV this July from as low as 20 Ghana cedis. Obet me are connected to us. Wabra using my Go TV app, no, and now pay by the points, and now say mobile money agent be a bear. Go TV, live it, love it. If I trust say I was subscribing to service be on MTN. Now a be a can no ya penal re fee a short cook out the year 2% or cancel subscription or cry now ya say mama. With the introduction of MTN Content Manager, they say I am simple the amount. Just one short code. Ubet media ABBR on your phone. *175#. You can view, add, or cancel subscriptions you no longer need, all in one place without the stress of searching for the short codes to stop those subscriptions. That's it, one short code to do it all. So just dial *175# to access MTN Content Manager and follow the prompt, because we're good together and we're there for you everywhere you go. In fact, I can't share free you. Actually, everybody yano. Not for young boy, Ebenezer forcing so. Now, you're an interesting commander. Patrol, bet me I join here on Facebook. Now, wash it. Now, one who dear call. Now, the lips, no. This is about the second or third time Mama Bisano. But also a natural. Said an unlike cocoon on fashion kind. Also, Benjamin, come on now. I sound it here, and I'm so okay. And you went to be a journey live on Facebook this year. Now, EB Forcing is in the building, yo. Now, who dear con dear banner, and then so I found who I find near there. It oh, looky fly, and I would chin the Numka cran near there. Hey, oh, yeah, easy, you. Oh, yeah, easy, crack. Now, catch me. Ever since I say you are not working for anyone, you're doing your own job. Ever since I was share with this, now you say it will get to this point where you will be all over the place, and it will get to a time where if you cry, it will fetch you money.
Oh, Darby,
no, one dreams are. So you okay? About say now share say don't share the way. Tell me about it. Shall say saying.
Okay, I think, but some in the short.
Yeah, the short.
I think it all happened. Guy be a friend campaign. Or can grand up. And one day about me fee and I'll say a new video. Now me more restaurant. No, I'm gonna say make way juma. I'm not sure we can do it. So yeah, I wasn't looking good. And you know, me PA no now. Okay, me I don't know iPhone. So the iPhone you see. Na me ni mu. Se me ko me do adwuma mu no ewia no na a friend saying £80 catch him say if you don't post na me obi mpo a friend no if you don't I don't even know her. Se me ko share page na me page and start to say change and obi trust why didn't you die before Ebony obi trosa say I mean once on Ebony see I want to me when the shey nyum no we know the zero ain't the answer curve on and you shatter wallahi and show curve on and show another now and I like how the best and nyum no na I don't to me best my year no something and nyum no bonny way ekutia yeah see sana na boom Ghana for na me bet so friend saying yenu abema Kwesiata, Dope Nation, Kwame Eugene Kidi, Familia, I think I hold my baby.
It's a one and a five. But even at that point, the crowd now we crowd now wouldn't even say it be do this level
because now me sometimes now me post pictures. Now me video that. I always post pictures now there. To me as a video now bam.
A five.
But trying.
Okay, so now say you such videos need be on your page near there. Is it 1 hour here for fun or amount for pay to do before you do those?
Oh, ebi mutia.
Yeah. And now you be so free. And I will free.
Free. Me join.
It is say what I see me kase me pese we video and post it and tell people to listen to Ofie Kwanso with Jerry Justice. I will be charging me saying.
Oh my God.
Yes, we will charge me saying.
Oh, pa.
Oh, talk to me. Yeah, you're welcome.
Oh, send them in team to Rebecca and I don't team so
they are charge amount for saying what the mommy range, like between
okay, me a birthday shoot videos. For example, a wife same maybe an wife ne fan me. Now see me video man birthday happy birthday
yeah,
and so me charge it.
Yeah.
And so me charge it.
And
I mean charge it be
yeah.
And then man think my charge just by the wish I think it's just 800.
800. Hey, and you what cash oh?
Oh, say be no, e be more.
And me a birthday a year 1,000. So
I think because of my voice.
So it just me change my voice now me and so the enemy no. Into you baby man. Oh, happy birthday to you.
And yes sir.
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy. Oh, me too the way I like. So happy birthday. As on chichon ga cry. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Jerry Justice. Happy birthday to me to cry with you. To you, may God bless you now. 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 Stay blessed and stay focused.
Oh my goodness. It's not just say no bit me I could do 800 Ghana cedis. Wow, you are making money.
Oh, when you say and you'll be it comes corona nearby into one or two things, but I can't cry. Corona not hard drink. I'll bend then can't cry. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. There's this issue. Yeah. Aya nanko for can.
Okay.
Nane kana kwa
ding. Okay.
But ode me ne wa.
Okay.
Ntimpacho ne kan kure wum pa.
Okay.
Enkrofo keka wo krum se wo ye gay. No, I am serious.
Oh my God, no, it's not you.
No, but see, un say, some de mini panel. But on say, and you'll be an ebeka cho. Omoka, obi nkofu bebre hia me, and people get into my DM. That guy be say, I hear say he be gay. Yeah, people. A dear now beka. If it is not true, dear now beka magana for betia say, unye gay.
I think the reason why thank you so much. The reason why I'm not me again so one makeup plan me no. And two the way I walk no. Sana me yes, sana me nante. Like it's
okay, and no, let me ask you. Is it in recent times now? What shall I say nante are now from Nina now nante.
Sana me say. Yes, nti Obo hono can say me a gay. No, I'm not a gay. Me can't to subium. I'm not a gay because mommy I'm always indoors. Me impie cry.
As see baby when you dream naturally.
And like me obi I say my impie like I say be me dream like me like even say programs are bad fine and tell friends say Kobe Stone cause be voice over here my baby me come fee after we me call baby and see me we pet I'm off to the house. Me should it has me PA I'm going to credit
so do you have female friends?
And a child.
Huh?
And your child.
Okay, so do you have a girlfriend?
Girlfriend.
Yeah.
That time is the breast.
No. That's not the answer to the question. Do you have a girlfriend?
Oh, say girlfriend it means friend.
No. Okay, so ampna.
Da be me impena.
Two ni girl bia ya umremi ano kakra.
Da be.
But what from Canada? What for girlfriend?
Me fan Canada. No. Me no.
If you say how old are you?
On the back tree.
Into onye bi da.
No, Darby.
You've not slept with a woman before?
No. Hey, no. Darby.
Hey.
That money you.
And I want you to do so be for girls.
Mefa and yes is here. God time is the best.
Don't you believe that when you na can boom one
no make us say we honey there Darby. Darby. Go from one area they'll tell you say I'm not a gay. Me obi I mean I'm a very mere friendly, penny papa, but those can't get no, that be. Yeah,
because almost say more those people they can.
They should come to my DM. I won't me DM.
No, maybe so.
Or maybe some.
Because they can't. Ghana, Obiano to me can't say you depend. Most people will not even ask you, but at your back they will talk. They will say it. What I say?
I hear lots. Rajari, what you're saying the other line. I hear lots. Everyone say you are gay, you are this, you are blah blah blah. Mention who? Mention who? Nyame and Name.
Wow.
And yet because of social media.
Okay. Has there been a time where Obi and meet you, let's say an elderly person in the society or in the community at which you live, where you live now, Obi Beka say, oh, Charlie, you our lifestyle we are why I didn't know Jais are doing now. Obi I try to talk to you about it, say Jais are there now, oh yes, our girly stuff. Obi I
need the yes, I think Guy B. If I'm not Haji, or me, you are. On your can't mean the Agomi Phoenix.
Sir, now quite sorry.
Yeah, for Gospel Church International.
Which branch?
Our community 12. But in Tanko. Me, I'm real. I don't fake.
I know you. But why didn't now Tanko?
Because a Jew Saturday is one sometimes bookings for
gigs being near the identity now.
Because if you move back for advertisements, so I have to do it in my house. Himself follow my Instagram and like you see every day when me see I make videos. Mean Koichi. No.
Okay, we are doing near to where you could say the own country. Because of that, internet on your quiet time quite sorry frequently.
I think in so
But don't you think they be our sorry so I be or pastor or trying to find out Charlie this thing and now he's cool with you?
Pastor name me. Okay, I'll say name me.
Not just say you.
Name me but like me call the name. Me call the name.
Only name shedenya one the other. Not just all sorry crowd man microphone shedan who know where you film. Your point away.
Oh that'll be I think I saw in your money me. I think Mrs. Tremontaine. Friend is saying, Kobe, few people. Rosina, yeah.
The way you can sing people's songs. The matine, the mima hunina, yeah. Secular songs, yeah. You know to a month for you. Obi so our sorry just that and say way. I saw you with me to answer him.
Oh, me too. Danasi, down me nazi, every side. Oh, yeah, nanner do, yeah, and dozy my yeah, and nazi, they're nazi, and on you me and nazi. Yes, the problem is I mean, sorry.
On sour, sorry, them that. You don't know how to dance. Actually. I am not a good dancer. I don't dance. Some me call baby party or wherever. So we say me sapade difficult. But at church there I can dance. I sorry them me say me dance. Me hoche nyame anu nyam fine.
Me sada.
On sawa sorry them.
Me just ask me one say na my say. Na me so do ba. Me just say.
Oh man.
You don't get me dumb because you not dumb na.
Wow. Okay, so Danasi, normal Danasi, I would you cry, said the alternate. So now it has become part of you. Dear Numbi Abe to Biano, and it's all tono, wow rendition out the mass animal. Hey, don't mean told Danasi, no, my yes, a new year.
The best down. And Debbie, I can say I'll give the gratitude. Ninia me debema if your dog Gloria Safo official Acosta. Only official Acosta.
Yeah, so you say they got you into this.
They got me into this. Because it's reached to a time. I couldn't.
Why? You couldn't what?
Management team, blah 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 blah.
Like too much pressure on you, like to stop what you're doing or what?
People like hitting some of my friends. Be more cry. You be now in the time. Stop it.
Hey.
Fans they'll come on my DM. I mean we do Mr. Mitchell I'm also meeting. I'm saying yeah no. But one thing I make her say, the Grammy Polo catch me as saying be. I'll say Ibi. oh yeah, dear, mention you'll be here.
Yeah.
Just
do
move
it.
on. Into me mention you'll be yo. Into this 3 people I'm to me phone. See, me there to me has say me nine. Yeah.
Na enti unjindu say ebia edu ba bi na de omo kan utie nso a ebi nso betimi abo akakra.
Oh, there are positive vibes bi wa wa me tie. Yeah, ebi mu tie pa. Positive vibe na ebi mu tie. Yeah.
Okay. Uni man you ote but you know face mask na uni money. Your friend is saying
Reverend Okum Chacha.
Okay, so Okum Chacha uni ma brandy.
Debbie.
Oh, uni ma brandy.
Debbie.
Ushia no baby ada.
Me pacho Debbie.
Sa.
Debbie.
Oh.
Say unse nipa ne doso. Ebia ne mehia no. Na ebi kura na me ne di nkomo bat.
Onkai.
Menkai.
Ibi forcing.
Yeah.
Only share baby ada.
Oh, Darby.
Sa. But do you follow him what thing can?
Yeah, or a pastor. About Reverend Mami boy see do.
Okay, so then what about him?
Oh, a nice person. Yeah, he's a nice person. Obune home and all that. Yeah.
Ebodi e mention dey mu me ho sao. There be ebodi
Prophet Kum Chacha.
Yes sir, ebodi me will be coming.
Healing Matuli.
Yes sir.
God is attacking now.
Once ade bi on my enkan e wo bra mente sa. Na me fem wo me won say me ka no kore. Obodi e Kum Chacha. Say wo come no one come me ni ye dia me mu me ho sa. So I say.
Now, but and come here can person me said you won't shed them need not just as a mission a bizarre ne who be biasa cry now on shed that cry.
I didn't see you follow social media.
Auntie who know social media. Sir,
and I say me ni shiada. So I say of course now beside who besides me ni shiada na. Okay. And I'm saying me ni shiada. By you know social media no. Any Facebook no there what the Facebook buy no ono kora mpesa me fan adamfo so ade ase your friend is
Zuckerberg
Zuckerberg because Facebook ni YouTube there maybe go santi some ekoso ni ade a you twa to nyina no say ja media no modi me awuram say
we media man
me media pastor so ade ase o say yeah start here now ya media no madawro ma eni wunu anu bi adawro ma ya start ya media na ya ba up and down ekọ ne ade no asofo ni bi kura to ye medin say me media pastor but ya na asofo ni nyina say abaji media na fa so ade say ohun nyina san chesi me eti ye ni madwuma ni pa eti mini ya jelly justice me fi say kosin bi wo ho no mo a maninko.
Okay, now Obi also who on social media, there at least one who never be or ye any other. But how do you see him?
Branichi Kakraman Pacho.
Me some chess who is saying, said Nema or yen and soon he said you any near man.
Also, any man, more Casan, more brofubi, amokas, and negative and positive.
Okay.
So I say, it will be moment I bet to me at me, the negative way and the positive way. So I say,
I don't know. Me and our person here money ne.
Debbie, and you necessary we are human. So obi near ma oye.
So one who ni videos you ye be near the idea one and he said you are no typical one said oh yet is all bad the idea say what you need to cry pons you or the way or make up kakra. Now I didn't you know
that just oh Matthew was here but who say in fact what you want no so obi nim ni yi a one show be sene pe so I say obi nim ni yi a obesene pe because ocean nanim and I say o back so
say ni tumodu
so I say
tumodu kakra
eti we say no say bronsam man contract akora mpa ena ka odi ayi bi hyehyɛ ne ha ati se nufu a ko betumi akogina tutu lai yeah se mema ni bitumi kogina o sa yeah
oji obi sika no adwane
pai wo kode da and your friend a class stay by prime so that it do share ye
you be on him now, Becca, so as half won't be.
aha so ada say wonse wonnam kra na ne nantia ni ne bibia ne ade no sabi o sabi fa chame sabi biem o te wono wonse I say obi o ye gay so ada say
Yeah.
aha wo na I say obi o ye gay on social media no I say obi o ye gay so ada say aha it we say no wonnam na so wanye lucky na enya bi soft kum chacha na obi hia me
Yeah.
no ko hia gay fo ni bia on ba wi ni turum me count nine. Me can't no cry jelly, no crap I'm catch on. But I was on the tonabo and on the tonamre. So I say,
What's up?
was it?
We don't know who's Emre.
Ah, net what's where I was so sweet. Say, hey, again, he be crying was young. I could hear what the nickel. Lord, I say, who do you say?
Radimaru.
Ah,
Come you.
Min Kobe,
Because you are.
because you are saying,
Yeah.
that oh, for me, me go football.
So for me, no, dear, never to us. Your fancy answer. Now, you before Sansana, Major Moacono. Favorite current song, the minimum so will be there, but currently, a number partner your favorite pa.
I think I knew a Johnson.
Oh, dear, at least choose one. Just one song that you love, like most recent one pa. Just say, oh, Philippa.
Say cheese, take a picture.
Aye.
Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. I baboni heading as you move. Like my view. Baby, you're singing, I'm singing like boom boom. Stand your body singing the boom boom. All day long in a song, a boom boom. One morning walk, baby say boom boom. Say cheese, take a picture. Check a post, make a seat, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. I think I'm favorite.
All right, Charlie. That's so best sign.
My own son, the voice here, the pa. Oh, voice there. Okuta me my voice, okuta my voice. Otto. Okuta Otto. Otto. And a treble. And a bass. Otto treble bass. Aha. Nina. Odi okuta bi. But oh no cry. Unsa. The voice no otumi changing it to second yes. So I say otumi the show free. No the cost second first third. So I say otumi cry yi ebe to reverse.
Good view. Even for saying that's why. Dali, enjoy your evening, right?
I'm about to give her a diamond ring. Now she say other girls like my thing.
Yeah, ba.
My heart beats like a boom boom. Next time you're gonna take you to boom boom. When we done, we go home. Up on the wall, baby say room.
Mene sofo kum chacha ebe twaso.
Shaka post, make a see. Take
Na nkomo na eba no so mu ose.
cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see. Take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see. Take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see. Take a picture. I rub on your knee.
Okay, so you go on and say cheese and stick a, take that beautiful picture.
You know the groove.
You know what I'm saying?
Only why they miss my boo. She make my heart beat say like say boom boom. Next time you're
Say cheese and take that beautiful picture
done, we go
because it's your birthday today.
baby say vroom vroom. Say cheese like a big
And our birthday, hey, that be a Sunday. Okay.
post. Make a see, take a picture. Say cheese,
All right, so Sunday happens to be your birthday.
say cheese.
And this one here is to wish you a happy birthday in advance.
She alone
I'll better set you up.
smoke one thing.
Nyame on show.
A diamond ring.
Na on show.
The other girls
Na on show. Kopim se obeye nhyira.
say boom boom. Next time you're gonna
De eye den. De eye ya. De ya reho.
up on the wag. Baby say
Eno de omabi ma wakwam.
cheese.
Ne mum de
Shaka post. Make a see, take a picture.
de eye nije.
Cheese like
De eye nkoso eno nko a.
say blue.
Ena oma emra wakwam.
We go
Ewo Yesu din.
up on
Happy birthday to you in advance.
cheese like a
I'll better set you up.
make a see.
With you, mommy, comfort.
Cheese like a
Your boy
Shaka post.
of Oberhausen.
Say
Name change.
cheese like a picture.
Also, wish you happy birthday. No, some can't say Odo pa. Yes, your mother says
Shaka post. Make a see, take a
I should inform you
a girl she alone.
that she loves you so much.
One smoke, one thing. I'm about to give her a diamond ring. She say other girls like my thing. She make my heart beat say like say boom boom. Next time you're gonna take you to bloom bloom. When we done, we go home a boom boom. Hop on the wag,
picture.
Shaka post, make I see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make I see, take a picture. Say cheese.
And today is your birthday.
Make I see, take a picture.
I want you to also say cheese and take a picture because it's your birthday today.
Shaka post, make I see.
Christiana
Say cheese,
Yobovi,
take a picture.
aka
Make I see, take a picture.
Sister Ayoko.
Cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make I see, take a picture. I rap on your thing, but we move. Even you.
Yes, me there, my friend Obapa Christy.
You know that.
Yeah,
Only why they miss my
my friend Sister Ayoko.
heartbeat say like say,
Oh, Denmark.
when you're gone.
Happy birthday to you.
And we go home and boom boom.
Yes, sir, Radinsha.
Baby say
Say, Enya Odia.
cheese.
Nyame onka hona onbon ho ban o wade nyina mu.
Say cheese.
Private jet no.
Shaka post, make I see, take a picture.
Enche bia na wato. Why?
Take a picture.
Amen oh.
Make I see, take a picture. Say cheese. Take a picture. Shaka post, make I see, take a picture. I got a girl, she a London thing. She
And a happy birthday going out to my personal person, my roommate, my love, and my girlfriend, Mrs. Linda Asabia Fojo
when you're gone.
from Ethan.
When we done, we go home.
Fojo ne baba kuni dine ne boarding.
Say cheese.
Say Elio say Elio.
Say
Aden Fojo Aden.
I see, take a
And now utiti ni pasa.
cheese. Take a picture. Shaka post, make I see, take a picture.
And you nyam hine.
Take a picture. Shaka
And afi and you nyam.
she make my heartbeat say like say boom.
We say
You're gonna
we love you and may God bless you. You are an amazing woman, yes. So a happy birthday going out to Mrs. Fojo.
I got a girl, she a London.
Now me wish you what it.
On a roll and smoke one thing.
I'm a could do Fojo pa.
Pay other
How about you mo?
beat say like say boom boom. Next time you're gonna take you to bloom bloom. When we done, we go up on the walk. Baby, say vroom vroom. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make I see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make I see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make I see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make I see, take a picture. She make my heart beat say like say boom boom.
And it's your birthday today.
When we done, we go home.
Your name is Kwame Abwaje. Happy birthday to you, Kwame Abwaje, aka
Take you to
Bogatietia.
and we go.
Otema Community 1, Site 19. And this one is coming from Kwame Amwa. Wishing you a happy birthday.
Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make I see.
Mona ba neba.
Cheese, take a picture. Shaka
And good evening going out to you, Jojo Akins.
cheese, take a picture.
Or UK.
I see, take a picture. I got
Shower in rain.
one thing. She wanna roll and smoke one thing. I'm on to give her a diamond ring, but she say other girls like one thing. She make my heart beat say
And a happy birthday also going out to Mrs. Justina Esiama Somwa
go home and boom boom.
from your sister, Madame Doris Mensah, and her children,
Cheese, take a picture.
and your children as well.
Make I see, take
Edward,
say cheese.
Annabelle, Elsie, and Abednego Asante Asiedu. The message here says, we love you.
Take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make I see, take a picture. She make my heart beat say
Okay, final one now for Yanko Sofo Kumchacha. So now into us. So say a happy birthday going out to Obapa AC Gifty Oye OEB Bush Canteen. And this one is coming from Janelle Entertainment. Wishing you long life and prosperity. And also this one here it says, please wish my baby
take a picture. Shaka post.
Anthony
I got a
Decha
London thing. She wanna roll one
a happy birthday for me. May God bless him
ring.
and lift him
Just like my thing.
from grace to grace.
Say like say
This is from a Cuba,
gonna take you.
Adom Newsroom.
When we done, we go home and boom boom. Hop on the walk. Baby, say vroom vroom. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make I see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make I see.
Okay, Sesiano. Dear do soon say, Sofu kum chacha, ewofia. Na asembia ba. Sa asem na aba no. Sofu kum chacha. Enei. Ono so ni take on sa asem na aba esensen Ghana for kum. Ye de mouse is here.
So
many ways there where you go fit use your MTN Momo wallet make payment with scan to pay. Where you go use the QR codes or you go fit use the merchant ID or on bank POS terminals. You go fit also transfer money between mobile money wallets and bank account all on MTN Momo. Enjoy real convenience in all your financial transactions and live life the brighter way with MTN Momo. We are good together. Just Momo it. We're there for you everywhere you go.
Hey, Kwamina, Machila, I know. Line a man for the Nisika Wagana Hano. Hey, Bobby West, okay, when you are Bagata. What is our Uncle for Jackpot for Frobia Bahasa Mefini? They were 539.
That's a lie with you. A body of baby. Pianim, the heels of a dollar star 446 hash. Now, bet get this come pimp him the beer.
Now, when you went on answer, Cabo, so when you didn't cry.
Leave your dreams for they were 539. Ghana Jackpot Lottery Dican cry. Dollar star 446 hash. And I go Abe Fontinta so. They were -NLA.com. Now, for Manum free back. And Piazankro, now bet me the 2 Ghana city per bed city in Pimo Haniachi, and you made no sumbrim de Biara. As I you, Tina Twasway, I bring Biara Obecha Dewa 539. When you're going to Disica and Pima Dionum, one out your rafunum, would in Pimo had de Biara, now would this in Pima Dionum, now Chibiara, Umpe now pedie. Dewa, a fa.
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense Wabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready Pedriano Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwaka Siankaya Wutini D and a home car. No, Yamwa suing Yano, and why you home buying every home. And now Pa, Omuan Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo, Imbusaba Mesa, and walk Kansi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, and to form friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jedi and Crack to Imagia to Musay.
Benjamin, Kweku, Inquadini now, eh?
Auntie Maggie, I don't know what you move from my opportunity to say.
The person of woman, I'm a demo, no, I'm
oh, Auntie Maggie, Jaisa, say, Momo, I yet easy cry. Who bet me a friend, Momo, and no one is over dialing 170. That's all. Mommy, show.
Mema wakwaba ba MTN Momo.
Hey, na Momo yi ayem rese. E na de bia mekeke mo friend kwada yi. Shia, afa.
Ma, o friend me.
The dada afei na waba. Eye jai. Niama ye.
Oh ma.
Akwai bebre wo ho udi beka wo Momo. Eno an se wo be friend 170. Na watie wo Momo menu no e wo akan. Ever, Gran, Brofo, Dagoni, any Hausa. Open so simple. Dial star 170 hash. Na these steps no so. Momo said ya open bia. Friend 170 and now dial star 170 hash. We are good together. We there for you everywhere you go.
Nokia smartphones abano and no one will be a can Nokia new Android smartphones you are more megapixels. Nisanti and mau kwema ultra pictures ni videos pop baby. Nokia new Android smartphones you fast. So what they call internet content so Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, umiaswa. Let them Nokia batteries there. We are singing a D1 dance here. Or new Android phones you charge ya a jinaswa they say jinaso. Also when you bet new Nokia Android smartphones Joe Nokia 7.2, Nokia 2.3, Nokia C1, and our Nokia C2, and our Nokia new slick phones or the Abanibi. Call phone shop be a bell. Najo Nokia phones is here. Nokia, it keeps getting better.
Me manage big things home. Me fast small things in yahweh. And nunti na manage Go TV hono. If we say Go TV dear, me nimsa bribia omo bet me bigger and better things. And can about a footballer. So we did that. Sergio Aguero. Yeah, crowd near the football papa no ebrewo back. Super Sport you will Go TV so the live football ebrewo back. And then they're off. You who the do na big boys number back in town. Trela Liga. This Syria are games in Cristiano Ronaldo. A crystal clear digital pictures and the sound papa binia de brewo e wo Go TV so. Menye go slow crowd. Ko pay by the point and now mobile agent bi obewo ne twa ho to. Go TV. Live it, love it.
Yes. Oh, I say, you know, when I'm for a bench. Oh, yeah, I'm true. Mukono. Go slow. The maze is cement. Action for pizza in the maze. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm chino Hawaii. Me funny. No more bomu kur. No baby shreyam no kuno kulogole. And here Jaisu WMP capsule. And yeah, Jaisu WMP capsule. Yeah, it is here Kobeya. We am bathroom marriage. I want to Papa Brown Sana Waba. So I constipation. I am chira. For Jaisu WMP capsules. No, Baba we am so way. Hey, you Fibiaro. I am chira. What to house is so much to you from a one hole. That's a for Jaisu WMP capsules. No, we am Rebogo. Young Fanafana Humacha. I'm trying to put away my go fine. But Bibiara is son. San Jaisu Yaba Clinic away Jaisu WMP capsule. I'm going to do a friend. 0244 529398. Jaisu WMP capsules. I'll go him.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Oh, Ukaso be mami extra manabro so ne die na wuyi. Extra ebechesa.
Anio madam, Airtel Tigo die ye die boshe sopa. Sisi ampo, so we extra unlimited Airtel Tigo call sabu sumi mienua. Eye 10 Ghana cedis pe.
We ana me pese meti.
Brasso, so we unlimited calls. Na ye Airtel Tigo super. With your star 111 hash Sisia.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Hey, Kwamina, Machila no. Line a man for the Nisika Wagana Hano. Hey, Umi West, okay, we near Bagata. What is on Kofoka jackpot for Frobia Bahwasam Fini? They were 539.
That's not like way there. Abode baby. Upianim. The hands of a dollar star 446 hash. Now let's get this come pimp him the beera.
Now when you went on Ancha.
Cabo, so when you didn't cry. Leave your dreams for they were 539. Ghana jackpot lottery can cry. Dollar star 446 hash. Anako Abe Fontintanso. They were -nla.com. Now for manum free back. And Yazankron. Now bet me the 2 Ghana city pembe this city in Pimo Hanietri. What and you made no sombrim de biara. Esayo, Tina to us way. A brim biara obecha de 539. Unya kwenye disika in Pima Dionunum or now Girafunum. Udi in Pimo had de biara. Now would this in Pima Dionunum now Chibiara. Umpewe now pedi. Dewa afa.
Pesa wohoro mframa gya chense ana tank mu a fa nsuo gu mu ma no nyema wei be ma mframa gya biara a aka chense no mu apue na hwe nsuo ni free chense no mu e wo se nia obehohoro mframa gya chense no mu hye ntade bi a ebebo ne ho ban bi te se mpaboa ahwehweniwa mframa gya nkatanim ene bibia ebebo ne nsa ho ban e wo se LPG ahyen etuminya kokobo niema bi te se nkanea na se kokobo atwerede e wo se ye tai hwe hunu se chance na ye de kora mframaja ne ho ba biara enwe na achi ana enseye ye hunu biribi saa a e wo se ye frɛ ehunim difo nkratoyi e free National Petroleum Authority aswe
Yama wakwaba wa good life so. Ehane ye twetwe nkomo fa ye dada gina ye wo ya pomuden ni ye yiedie ho. Enen nkomo no fanuane a esese wudi bra wa frefru. Didi mane no so kakra. Dinio mane atosode pii te se mango, brofre, paya ni ahahama.
Adade, Bahon de Richer will now for nom new bushia. A sit napa, Bonnie, a dada de. Nkaiboy for Ghana Health Service. You said no more boyfriend chain.
Hey, Ama, Missy Ne, boy be a Missiano. Real deal, package and casa. Tall, dark, pink lips, muscular with 6 packs. Handsome, with designer clothes and shoes, baby. Girl, he wasn't playing at all. Hey, Ajwadat. I was eyeing him the whole time. Sonia Mitchell, I strategically positioned myself in front of him. And then he opened his mouth and said hello. Oh, we're ready. And Capelli. Hey, oh, slow.
Don't let this happen to you. Use the new Blue Close-Up Cool Breeze toothpaste. It comes with a new minty flavor for long-lasting fresh breath. Stay fresh with Cool Breeze, because blue is the new cool. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Onia, so what Kai say? And chair your crab. Near to me, share your sim. Nothing so yet to be from your
No problem.
So we hate you cry. Yet to me, bless you crab.
No problem.
Not also yet to me, Lotto kills you. Yeah, here and say, who may do hunt him?
No problem.
Now so, and a your problem can see about. So what you be? Just so you're free. I say, we open. So what you now you hate to when you dear and you're not young. So when you know some mask, dear Minia and your mother. Now soon you know, Vim war hot. Now say, dear, yes, so we beat the time. It's answer. Yeah, the star 959 hash and the chat with your phone. So I bring beer any bed Piara. Online, any app on so hot 590mobile.com.gh. Onya and near Master now so be be your friend. This is the new normal. But 590 mobile and ne hashe.
Good life so a honey your chicken come fire dada jina ye wo ya pom den ne ye die ho enen come no fan kwada wo nyanya fie no so wonya ntontom dan a ya hye de dro no fofora e ma wo hwe mfi se wo be hatem don hwe duonu 9 ansa na wade mu se de be ya enko ha wo honam ana wani
ma good life ni akotene wo se de we se hwe wo baso da na bo hu de we hwe wo namfonom ni wo busua asetina pa boniye e ya dada de nkai boy fi Ghana Health Service you say no one for chain.
Anywhere you did, some big data.
Akosia, I'm off. I have to go and deposit today's sales and buy some things before I get home.
Okay, but deposit money at this time. It's past 6 p.m. Which bank is still open?
My daily sales always goes to Stanbic Bank no matter when I close.
Hey.
Even without my debit card, I can still deposit my money at a Stanbic ATM anytime. Stanbic literally follows me everywhere.
Hey, wow. That's good though. Me, when I close late, I have to carry the cash on me home with all the risk.
Hey.
Sometimes even when I hear mosquitoes making noise in my ears, I itch my heart. I wake up to see if the money is still there.
Akosia, don't make me laugh.
I said that you are laughing. I'm serious, laugh.
Imagine all the 1001 ways you can bank safely without leaving your home or office. If you need any help, send us a message on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram at Stanbic Bank GH. Stanbic Bank, it can be.
Freshman capsules, a one memon pomudin, fresh cool capsules, a yema cuckoo,
Fresh Lady capsules, a woman maumutia or mufichukum.
Name or pinful or buy one more menu for now for that when you feed me come home. For 0243 559 319.
Freshman capsules, a one memon pomudin, fresh cool capsules, a yema cuckoo,
Fresh Lady capsules, a woman maumutia or mufichukum.
Name or pinful or buy one more menu for now for that when you feed me come home. For 0243 559 319.
Freshman capsules, a one memon pomudin, fresh cool capsules, a yema cuckoo,
Fresh Lady capsules, a woman maumutia or mufichukum.
Name or pinful or buy one more menu for now for that when you feed me come home. For 0243 559 319.
FDA Associate Jadi and Crack so much to Muse Aye.
Fresh products, hashtag Bobra.
Area Seno, as a Sada Biao, sending a dinky tahwasasa. Now so, Yatin Cancer Science, and your mamma Freddy Diagrassa. Now so, I'm a fan of society. Send me your crusty Kadidi Jumasasa. Now so, Nientia investing on society. Send me your Sia Diasasa. Now so, Saintia Yesia Dianon society. What if you or her, your soon numa quentio. A free I want to swap, I want to swap. Yes, Sia Bribi say, Emressa. Now so, and new man who hear Panonsasa. Old Mutual. Yanam insurance, ne pension so ye Nyoma Cassia Dara.
Nana Kofi, my baby boy.
Just said you no no bamonia say. Then the HB rich with the drink and Kawun and Taman Kawbe Tia Nukrum.
HB rich here. Kawan Tremia, Kawahame Papa.
HB rich, Mujadua, Ayamo be a Yarina Hontono. Yen Moja Swat here, and it will be a 1 minute. HB rich, but man appetite. I'm a net me you boo. Open for nom 8B Richer. Esiesie wone abotofo awada ne yam ni nyina. 8B Rich mo yedro. Woni nsuo ene ne tupaye. Eye man kwada ene mpanyini nyina. Etufo mfre
020-807-2107 and 024-943-6756 and 030-222-0329.
HB Rich mo yedro. Numbi nesiesie woni pedua.
Enkratoi FDA ahwehwe magiatum se eye.
Syndicated Capital introduces the Silent Night range of luxury mattresses and pillows. And for the first time, the Silent Night pregnancy and nursing pillows, crafted to provide exceptional relief for your legs, belly, and back during pregnancy, as well as amazing back support feeding your baby. No more sleepless nights and no more hustle with breastfeeding. Check out the Super Pillow Top Orthopedic Mattress, made with 12 inches of memory foam cushioning, providing unparalleled comfort and guaranteed to last for 20 years. No mattress comes close in comfort and support. Also available are high-quality bird sheets, reversible quills, a large collection of orthopedic pillows and luxurious towels at unbelievable prices. Silent Night products are available at all Melcom shops, game stores, and Silent Night showrooms at Tema, Asylum Down, Adenta, Spintex Road, and Kumasi behind Menchia Palace. Or call 0302-242532 or 050-131-5776. Silent Night. Sleep like never before.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM
106.3.
Tune it in. Turn it up. Rip off the knob.
Yep, and we're back. Time check 29 after 5. Freestyle Friday. Your own show, Ofie Kwanso. On 106.3 FM. Me ba be show ade o. But you can catch yourself Prophet Kum Chacha awa. Me ne ba be din komo sesia. But me ne din komo we pe me be phone lines no. Na ma show ade. Yes, from Fan Milk. We are Super Yogo. Na me trimu nye den sa. Me person me the questions ni be pia na why say oh no idea there be no enye. It's say come here say ba me pe wasem ntimi wia me ho na ma yen sa ma why. Tipa chotio na wadu okay, so yeah, can say Super Yoga. It comes in 2 flavors. And no a plain and a feel lemon. Me no one come try to your plain and you want lemon. The 2 flavors of Super Yoga. Now a bano say you be so say and you be nutrients how do I want a Super Yoga muno the so who say vitamin B2 a B6 vitamin D calcium iodine and a phosphorus nina ewumu a face Super Yoga ya a containing vitamin B and no a good banner boama or immune system need to me and a vitamin B DMD can boil and vitamin D. Now, you kind of size and now say volume of Super Yoga. Me pacho a 180 ml. Now the price no so there a 2 cedis pe. Hefa na obenya Super Yoga to. Farm milk vendors and enam crew baby. A face supermarkets, petrol mats, neighborhood shops ahodo ni nyina so benya bi ato. Tu bana me bisa we na ototo papa so there na chese. Wala o. Wala. So ya na se ya nia. E ya dum. Ya so ya nia be. Wa ya to gram system. Ya pie ko. E be na ha ya go. Wa ke. Wo bi a put it. Wo ga. Wo pe wo put it. Lawyer Joseph Adane, when you Busha, Samson Kwejo Ano, CEO, Media Sam Plus, patron of United Nations Youth Ghana. 1 week observation no nyame adom a wɔkyena ɛna ɛba so ɛwɔ taifa abusua na ɛma mo hyɛden akyekyɛ mu na amrɛ wa agya poku nyame te ase bia bɛ fine. Okay, sɔfo kum chacha
bra pani
me patcho o te sɛn.
Oh, dear Radi, I mean, I didn't be on sign me.
Anyway, so why a fair?
I'm very
sad. Yes. Now, me pacho, sofu tears on you, me, mammy kakra. Yeah. Why? Samputuma putu, samputuma peke, sampatama suku. Wangana the chef, what a big baby, and nobody, wanna be nobody, and nobody, wanna be nobody, and Togobi, wanna be Togobi, and Togobi, Baba, Sampatama Peche, Sampatoma Putu, Sampatama Poto, Sankatanga Putu, Sampatama Pepe, Sampatana Pumpu. Sampatana Pepe, pray, go better, pray, go better. Solomon, he go better. Solomon. Pegade mundo godo, dandade, ambagadum digi, sagadum bodum, mampana madama bum, some pompe. Okay, and you know any putu. Now, according to Stone Boy, it means prayer. Into Tianum now, see pray. Solimo. Not just empire bona. And you may buy a mouth for someone near there. I feel they say no. A Christopher being a software being so normal on why Jumbi said there be. This is an insult to Christians. Na yamfanya me is in a church sir. Odifo kumchacha.
Mini a penny.
What's your take on this issue?
Medawasi nyame ma inshira enkwa ewane ahoden na de bia fa be yejuma.
Amen.
Me fe say enwumo no menya bi atie na ba bi wo ho no mo a said the west senate no kra no menim se sa ne tie no so de a ebia mintumi nka e wo radio so on se sam patama pe
ai
sampatama tenda sampatama luku pense kwene tenda sampatama pudu sampatama gogo sampatama pudu
ma hu ba bia o pa kire no
sampatama pudu sampatama tenda
e hono na o kan no
baby o kan asem what di bi o hono but e be you
wangana na the chef orebi enye eho ya na opachi
samputuma peche sampatama suku onse
peche ho no
but e wono onse
samputuma peche peche
what take it time abeka bi before
samputuma peche e hono ne ha o kaka
da bi e wono onse wanhwe yi a wonte ho ase yi sampatama pe so atase e wono said the west nete no and I won't say you shoot tons to be so I say you shoot tons to be but me no ade ba ko ne say stone you be a me penasem ade ma me di stone asem no ya ahobrase so I say or you be a in fact obre no ho ase too much it is stone me penasem but won say bible no a da wono no yemfa bible mu nsem ene hon kronkron ensem endi agoro so I say be a obebo enwum bi na I say enwum na wo bo no de tons ebo enwum no e wo bra tons no office nyame na de ama so na enye nyame na aye say efeudie bi ene ade bi a wo ye de atonwum so ati ase e ho side na de enkoyie so e ho no enkoyie because on say bible say o kasetia eja no kra na otumi consider o na kasetia o ba na otumi consider by what de won kronkron di agora
waso ebeyeshe aha eti won say Matthew chapter 12:31 no say yenti mesemo say what the bonni ne abususem nyina ebeche nipa honhom de a yemfa nche de obeka say ti woni pa ba no or the beche no de obeka say ti ahon kronkron no so onfa nche no tu kan Matthew 12:31-32 eba okeka bibi e wo hosa it was say tons enya de a ye de tons di agro or ena enye stone ko a ena sabe why sa de we bi ya wa Christopher bebro okora na wo se adwale okora na obotons what is the meaning of that
so me she adware mi dwan na empire sintina me bo na me botons
oh message rough ya wa de bi owa ya rough won say obi owo no mo a
so you mean you can't pray in your bathroom
oh enye ne sa won say ya wo obi owo no mo a just say I say sorry ayekoi hwe on say car say wo spark car na
okay me ba you continue that's the way our can't mama here enti say masoya no pa there are times ebi a me pentem pa and say by me fifie na 6 crown boy enti me pentem sa na ebi wa me bible wa yi a me kan no masoya na me ko washroom na no me TWC no so na mabie na me kan enti ona enti no so anya na enti mi nyai
on say mama nyiwa no wa car o spark car on say utia so kwa ansa na car no etumi speed bam e free first na ba second na ba third empire bo obi o nya kwa so dem ma empire bo hiri baba ya bompa ya ma yalefo hiri baba ya bompa ya ma kwantufo hiri baba ya bompa ya ma teacherfo hiri baba ya bompa ya ma oman no so dey say on say bibia no ne dia na o ye na kasa tumu so de honam bi na ye so that empire no ye wo ba bia ye bompa ye ni do level bia wotumu se wo wura honhom mu na honhom ne be wo wura mu sa no dia honhom ne de wo ye kora no enya dia ye honhom dia me kan so wo batem ase ya obi ono mo asabi oku akura e ho tons akura kum so ye bon tons akura kum keke
ebia na nye akura keke sa o
honhom akura ebi di ye rough ebi di agoro hwa wo ko park so ne ade a ye wo bi ono mo a wojina park so bompae no obi de ne sa hye na som meka hiri usu hiri baba wo se baba make so that say
how
udi bebre park so wo bi so onwe ko bompae e wo park so ne ade a de meka no ko de pa wotumu se hon kronkron ne man so wo nya adoma chede aye de ka tons ba wo bi na e chele no e na tons so ye nchele tons no e ya chede o bompaya so that say na wo touch them na dane na tama wo touch them na be dane kora no won ka say wo hu wo du hu amatumu say baabi a wo du no wo du mudu bim so that say a won ka say no hu bibia na enye say bia wo gina park so na jali wo gina wonom na so fukum chacha me dem sa hya wasom me ka hiri usi hiri baba wo say baba so that say suli usi suli so that say obi kura down me call park bi so obi kire obi tons wade ne sa share na so what was suli ata wan so say suli ata was suli ata was suli so no was parking wade ne call suli ata what you say what it suli ata say sabe facha me I will send the suli ata I say sabe woto oh so I say no you know suli ata say
time ko asem we say asan ba so bi Sunday so crap aba say me sign be phone lines na me dey share the microphone but so do you agree with those who are saying say anyway na stone boy abono or the differ iti enye
o say ebia ono na dreams e ma so say de oye no enye ebia na dream ma so sa ono the office e ye nwom na auto but you betumi actually na collect no actually ni ma bi say ade we no baby out there hon kronkron every ton so ne ade wo nwum ne say ne ade so ade say so onim say won lane ne de ya na different from you can say gospel lane no so ate say
okay yeah but ansana meja wa mo akono o kan asem bi so obi ho a wodware kra na obotons hono na kire ma adwens ma me kra me can say there are times that I'm in a hurry and open, but I still want to read whatever quotation and person me read the anopano and sana me pie it me washroom na me te W's ni so kra no. Say be me jam na no kra na me kra me Bible and I'm reading at the same time. It me wie no na makan awie. So ati ase na me de ato akodwae. Enti eno so no eye bone enti se me jai.
The woman say ye wo enema bi o no mo a won. Nyame etese bi a wo hye bathroom. So ati say any baby a wo bodi ni ade no. Ye wo ho no mo hye ho na emergency bi. So ati say na bibi esi emergency bi. So ati say ho no obebom paye obefro Nyankopon. So I say but you
teacher say emergency there I shouldn't do it. I should wait.
Enti o part am say ntu so wanya ba bia nkobom paye say toilet so.
When I make say ena no power say me fifie before 6. Enti me so ye na me tam ye na pe na me ko wura ho street. Enti me to na once na me pupu na me kan ya.
Eni wo de ye afuru ho na bra dem. Wo de ye afuru ho na bra dem. So I say ye afuru ho. Where de ye so for say. Me ni amame so le na unim say next month na mayi ne ba so de
o ma me yi no so we yi na unwi na we yi be ne ba so that's o ma me yi
masa she na want to am na ma me o nyame ya do
na utu ama
next masa next month on the 8th August next month 8th of
next
August
month then next month
masa
okay the bosu me agbai
achimo pedwa Achim Apidra Eastern region. Okay. Saturday 8 August.
Okay.
And one no.
Yeah, be just
na so na you busu happening.
Member.
Eti jelly justice. One you busu happening.
Christ has some being count.
And count so.
Ada ma me bra ni din no ye ne se be ha me. Ko jelly curls dey a hairstyle.
Na say na me kam.
So say jelly me so ka Jerry.
Na fi dey o child dey wa.
Ai, sana me ya.
Who say teacher ni?
Who say ni J style. J style.
Any JJ. Many JJ mo na ma wi. Ba who sister wa ye chef o.
The one for brutal.
Urade ne one fe. O say nyame abodi e fe. Ah, who say Genesis 1 or 31 o say nyame bo ade no hu bibia na ye excellence.
Sister Sandy be a guy. Sandy. And I said the I know. Me no wa feel na na de be phone lines near the ade na chiche nkofo na mo because I say be come. Menya ka say me de be chom no so say me de chom. So what you say? Yeah, and you call the J style. What you say?
Ba J.
Yeah.
I mean, I like this whole Friday J style.
Yeah.
Now, I like the way you vibe into the
simple,
Friday.
You know what I mean?
I mean, my Facebook, Adom 106.3.
I asked you to tell me.
Na men to hana men ko tono bra me de medidie. Mama Jerry sa wa dia hyehye edukumi so to no so sa wa taiwo atade nim ne ba ona
se fine boys.
E bo medam no ntimi ma na so nche camera no.
They be fine check camera.
Alice. And I was a woman so. Okay, we dey woman so mo me atade.
All right. So we are here. 0302216561, 0302216562. It is Sister Sandy be a guy who so my fella na. Na ye de fan yogo no so womu amount to fra. Ni bisao. Just simple question. Now I define yogo not just say.
Which yogo?
Fan yogo.
Bisa question the first.
No super yogo. Oh super yogo no me aba no.
Bisa me bi na mami bi eja.
Okay. For me bisa no timi ansan kwa dia. I will give it to her.
If you any person be some question.
Auntie, Sister Sandy be a guy in her first caller.
Wow.
Hello, Brazil.
Hello, Bacho me think the Vic.
Okay, and yeah, first question.
Vic don't change.
African transfer course brother. You find from to see sharp now. I feel flannel so nanti. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. African for you for now. Let me say baby. Hello. Hello, good evening. Hello. Hello. Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
Me patron your process.
Patron family.
What's it?
The family.
Ruth.
Me patron.
Okay, Ruth. Me patron earlier me can say you were vitamin B a wo super yogo no anu timi bo ama wakoma adwuma yie pa vitamin ben.
Me patron vitamin D.
What's it say? B na D?
D.
D for dog.
D for dog or B for boy?
B.
B for boy.
Patron.
Ayo, that's because you tie na beti an kan. Before Bona. Okay, next caller. Hello. African, I'm born sharp, or born you and I try to an yes. Oh, there for back from now.
Busum Pyong and a lot paper. Mahusa more chillo. Once a lot paper to new car be Range Rover. No more chilly that Busum crab drink. I'm very interested in mommy and her drinking. But my hoop drink new crab boy.
Okay. Hello. Oh, they're just Fabra now. Oh, Tio Mudino, I can't network. Hello. Yes, good evening.
Evening, brother.
Maybe I'll try first, eh?
But I from Michael.
Okay. Mike, you want 2 flavors of Super Yogo. They're way.
Brother, you.
And bye bye. Why? Who's so refined? I didn't share that conscience. Nina, I was not even supposed to do that too. Me and I'm so who do
the J style.
Me the mom free because the Friday. You know what I mean? Now you down. Charlie for Bakunum near Queen.
Me say Pyong. Me comment na Instagram me home Pyong page say. One name Pyong nam. Boy, it's a lot paper. What the asama making? Send me a moment case maybe di konkon. So monko lot paper page.
Yeah.
Pyong nene nama okra drink.
Yeah.
Maybe so more comments
na say. Cannot drink no.
Dia na Pyong me. And a lot paper be man no say no funsuo.
Ah. O si Pyong no funsuo.
Lot paper. Say emwaya lot paper de my Instagram no. It's who there sim there no funsuo me hu amehu.
Okay.
It's who there mon correct say no funsuo abraje make o de wa call lot paper page okorade.
I will check.
Say no funsuo.
Hello. Charlie, any son of a day, this is Jayuna. Because
yeah, no, thank you. Now, Obaja is a some so started. Like I'm saying, no,
because I said, like
I say, no, was starting life.
What to do on what visa? Says, Ote, and Puana, who smoky joint.
Just say,
that by the boy, is everything okay?
For real,
okay, what I mean,
you could be sad, say, see, okay, or no person or your key. Nanida, who named your
and now I shut down all your oil.
I saw a post from Hammer. Now, Hammer. Brapping a child baby, I will be. I know what you say. Let's not focus on services. Who knows, you know. Now, now you're focusing on the bars that the guy is spitting. That is from Hammer. Now, you're boy, no, some serious bar.
All spitting bars, now say. Source of the bars, no, and
posty comments na say
there be Hammer and
man for catcher and Hammer. Expected by
this one, but this one I don't agree with Hammer. Honestly speaking, because Theo, no. That's not it. I mean, for me, because all mommy are there to consume. Source na there any fiber. Now to be me control products no ABA papa chain. Another brand there.
Yes.
But because when you was certain beliefs we was our brand no and it was accepted brand no the way it is you know or kotwa or pesa brand na no better.
Exactly.
And no just as our brand na papa chain dey aka now.
Exactly.
Enti man who source na now source no else me go na me fa.
Oh,
Bass no hospital.
Jay, me say comment no. Say omo man hamati ase say. Ye betie de o kan yate. But for now no untimi mba opeso rema be rem. But you don't come back attacking people like Sako de manifest medical. You don't attack them all in the name of Asemo back. No.
And no ye kran so na de nsan ensisusu bi ye ma me bisa na de a.
Hama kan say you forget the fact say onye no in a studio to say you be rare the song. No say what album it tapes so.
Kwabna
love meaning so
say there are a lot of mad men and women on the street who speak wisely.
Into one
Mami Fako.
Hello.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
Me Patrick Frost saying.
Patrick from Sarah.
Sarah.
Yes.
Okay, me Patrick, what is the price of Super Yogo?
2 CDs.
What's it? 6.
2 CDs. 2.
Okay, you cause tea obetenka. Why?
Patrick.
Hello.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Your Frost saying.
Lovely.
Hey, lovely. Where there saw here wild do. Me patro super yoga size no saying. The size or the volume.
180.
What 180 there?
180
there. Okay. 180 ml.
Thank you.
How many kilometers?
Okay, you trust your credit.
Abnagana. Kuma utsini training Abnagana. Kuna my foundation. So last year, my awards be Ghana Access and Entertainment Awards. Yeah, you nominate you what? Ochemu awama wa chanda for ni munyama mete ni adia but this year no say be ba ade ba kwa Abnagana ni tima ya mani aba ho ye omo asa omo she veterans na ni munyam me hu so omo call kwaju that na na kan na asem wa he omo command citation omo mama award na ono nko omo call eye mama Grace ono nso so enye Grace omo abo ba ko na de sen oh mami on here dinner matachi mo Grace. What's a Grace on me too? Grace on my mommy dokono. Grace naughty.
Grace naughty.
Omoko Grace naughty ho. So I think it's a good thing. At least Obia Kai. Veterans no say or metri or dues. It's time say a bebo my basunti no. Ghana Access and Entertainment Guild no awards no. Abna Ghana or more no. I think it's a good thing na Ghana a bebo my baso or my idea. Na this year nominations year home and him say ja Ofie Kwanso besa nominated Jeremy. I'm the never awards no Mr. Me am the mini abe manana Jeremy mention bossa. I mention now the dress and the beko quality my awards near point. On so dress on point.
Me for last call. Time no call. Hello. Oh, too bad. Charlie, for the can fridge later na dey achew.
Na me mouth story etwa so a ye ni aya somewhere the graft.
Yeah, what?
Yes man. Enra me ko hu ya. Ono aka na sa posti. Oso wo twasini. Sini na wo twa ni nti wa hye ne car.
Also was she is it a Toyota pickup?
Sami nipa no jai sa jai bre jai nipa no ba say jai u peja na so wancha one video
you who answer
car na ria some track na picture area daytime e see you chana na jo
mami for last person right now. Hello. Good evening, Patrick Frost. Okay, so me born nutrients bebre more than 5. A war super yogumu. Mami emu 2.
Vitamin B2.
And
a vitamin B6.
Okay, cosweti why?
My amount is so.
Me say cosweti on so mami amount so. Me ka say mami to so ka.
Eti di graft dia me send ya nua no ya nua ni pe ebusuani no ya ntimi nya ne sane be ya bontu so ne ba de jai de wo ye no ya ntimi nya so ne be ya bontu so ba di graft me ferment mi kasa wo boa na me nyina ho me ntimi me ya dance krum say chenchina wo boa ba de jai wo ho me nka hwe but wutimi twaka na picture awia enwumre na hye no twa yo ka wo pese ehu a wo twa no wo de petroni gusu na wo record Pamaches na record
no cry no we movie ni we are ultimately they come behind the scenes no so what I say later
when I say if I'm moving the title me am hype am fa beja for title ne bra because o me gas ma shekasa
Charlie
meko I have a fem bisanyom why be fem TV so I me invite Jerry Justice on air and no me my 360 on bisanyom join us on Adom TV and see the food outfits.
All right.
Bro, watch it. Me hide down.
Hey, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
But more people don't get DS.
Okay.
Hip hop kill.
Charlie, and a breast is
with the watch.
Now the woman say a breast is